The electric-powered floor crane instruction manual. Control features: control yoke, handle, extend the boom, retract the boom, horn, raise the boom, lower the boom, emergency stop, belly switch, dashboard controls, receptacle for hand control option, battery charge meter, emergency stop, power on and off switch, battery charger cord. Operation. Before using the crane, check the battery charge meter and confirm battery is fully charged. Turn power on and test the following: the horn, the controls for extending and retracting the boom, and the controls for raising and lowering the boom. If all powered functions operate normally, the unit is ready for use. Before the crane is loaded, perform the following: verify the load is evenly distributed and safely secured. Verify the crane will be operating on a level surface. Verify the transport distance in a short distance. The longer the distance, the higher the risk of injury or excessive drive system wear and tear. Turn on battery by pulling up on the power switch. The power switch is located on the dashboard. There are two buttons located on the right side of the handle. One is for raising the boom, the other one is lowering the boom. Make sure there is no one standing near the truck or the load while raising or lowering the boom. Travel controls. Two control wheels, one on each side of the belly switch, control direction and speed. Rotate either control wheel away from you to drive the truck forward. Rotate either control wheel towards you to drive in reverse. The speed of travel is controlled by the degree of rotation in either direction. The farther you turn the controllers, the faster the truck moves. Braking. This truck is equipped with an electromagnetic brake. The brake is applied whenever the control yoke is within 10 and 15 degrees of the vertical home position, or within 5 degrees of the lower position. The brake activates regardless of the lateral side-to-side position of the yoke. Whenever the handle is released, it automatically returns to the vertical position and activates the brake. Always confirm that the brake is in normal operating condition before using the truck. Emergency stop belly switch. A red emergency stop feature, a belly switch, is located at the top of the control yoke. When pressed and released, the switch interrupts drive function, which causes the unit to stop. If the belly switch is pressed and held down, the unit will immediately reverse travel direction, away from the operator, for 3 seconds. If the belly switch is pressed and quickly released, the unit will immediately stop. Before the unit will operate, normally after the belly switch has been activated, it must be reset. To reset functions, either move the yoke all the way up, the yoke will automatically return to the upright home position whenever the operator releases the yoke, or all the way down. Emergency power shutoff switch. To turn power on, pull out the red button. To shut off all power, travel, lift lower, and extend retract functions, press the button down. In an emergency situation, pressing the button disconnects power and immediately stops all powered function, unlike the belly switch, which affects only the travel, forward, and/or reverse functions. A button for activating the horn is located on the top side of the control handle. Battery and battery charger operation. The batteries and the battery charger are located inside the housing. To charge the batteries, press the red on and off switch to turn off the power supply. Before connecting the battery charger to the local power supply, check and ensure that the voltages of both are the same. Plug the AC extension cord from the charger into the wall outlet to turn on the charger. The charger automatically controls the charging process and matches the current requirements of the batteries. When the batteries are fully charged, the charger will continue to supply only enough current to maintain full charge level. When charging is finished, disconnect the AC plug from the wall outlet. Specifications: capacity 2500, when halfway extended 1300, with the manual extended 600 pounds.